If you're serious about precision, durability, and next-level performance, Festool's 2026 lineup is something you need to see. From powerful cordless saws to ultra-efficient sanding systems, these tools are designed to make professional work faster, cleaner, and more accurate than ever before. Let's explore the latest innovations. The Festool TSC 55KS cordless plunge saw is built for professionals who demand absolute precision in every cut. Powered by advanced cordless technology, this plunge saw delivers the same cutting power and accuracy you would expect from a corded tool. Its brushless EC Tech motor ensures smooth performance while maximizing battery efficiency. With the integrated guide rail compatibility, users can achieve perfectly straight cuts in plywood, MDF, hardwood, and laminate materials. The thin kerr blade reduces resistance, allowing faster and cleaner cuts with minimal splintering. Another standout feature is the kickback stop system, which significantly improves safety during plunge cutting. The ergonomic design keeps the saw balanced and comfortable even during extended use. Whether you're installing cabinets, trimming doors, or working on detailed woodworking projects, the TSC 55KS offers precision, reliability, and professional-level performance every time. The Festool ETSC 125 cordless random orbit sander is engineered to deliver flawless surface finishing with unmatched control. Designed for professional woodworkers and finish carpenters, this sander combines cordless convenience with powerful sanding performance. Its brushless motor ensures consistent speed and smooth operation, helping produce swirl-free results on wood, paint, and composite surfaces. The compact and lightweight design allows comfortable one-handed use, making it ideal for vertical and overhead sanding tasks. Festool's advanced vibration control technology reduces fatigue, allowing users to work longer without discomfort. The sanding pad is optimized for even pressure distribution, ensuring perfectly smooth finishes across the entire surface. When paired with Festool's dust extraction systems, the ETSC 125 maintains a clean workspace and protects the user from fine dust particles. For furniture makers, remodelers, and finishing professionals, this cordless sander provides precision, efficiency, and outstanding surface quality. The Festool RSC-18 cordless reciprocating saw is built to tackle demanding demolition and cutting tasks with ease. Featuring a powerful brushless motor, this cordless reciprocating saw delivers high cutting speed and impressive durability for job site work. It effortlessly cuts through wood, metal, plastic, and construction materials, making it a versatile tool for contractors, electricians, and plumbers. One of its most important features is the vibration dampening system, which significantly reduces user fatigue during heavy cutting jobs. The ergonomic handle design ensures excellent control and comfort even during extended use. Tool-free blade changes make switching between different materials quick and convenient. Additionally, the compact cordless design allows users to work in tight spaces where corded tools might be difficult to handle. Whether you're cutting pipes, framing lumber, or dismantling structures, the RSC-18 provides the power, reliability, and mobility professionals expect from Festool. The Festool Cordless Planer HLC-82 is designed for craftsmen who require precise and efficient surface preparation. This powerful cordless planer allows users to smooth rough lumber, adjust doors, and refine wooden surfaces with professional accuracy. Its brushless motor delivers consistent cutting power while maintaining excellent battery efficiency. The planer features precision machined blades that remove material smoothly, producing clean and even surfaces with minimal effort. The compact design improves maneuverability, allowing users to control the tool easily even in tight spaces. Festool also integrated an efficient dust extraction system, helping keep the work environment cleaner and safer. Depth adjustment controls allow users to fine-tune the cutting depth for extremely accurate results. Whether you're preparing timber for furniture projects or adjusting doors during installation, the HLC 82 cordless planer provides smooth performance, outstanding control, and the reliability that professional woodworkers depend on. The Festool CT-ASA FLXW boom arm is designed to dramatically improve workshop efficiency and dust management. This innovative accessory integrates with Festool dust extractors, allowing hoses and power cables to be suspended overhead for better mobility and organization. By keeping hoses off the floor, the boom arm reduces tripping hazards and improves movement around the workspace. Installation is quick and straightforward, making it easy to upgrade existing dust extraction setups. The adjustable arm provides excellent reach and flexibility, allowing users to move freely while sanding, cutting, or routing materials. Its durable construction ensures long-term reliability even in demanding workshop environments. Another key benefit is improved dust collection performance, as the elevated hose positioning helps maintain consistent airflow. For professionals who prioritize a clean, safe, and efficient workspace, the CT-ASA FLXW boom arm is a smart addition that enhances productivity and workflow. The Festool D50 SVAS-Y valve is a practical accessory designed to improve the flexibility of Festool dust extraction systems. This innovative Y valve allows users to connect multiple hoses to a single dust extractor, making it easier to manage dust collection across different tools. The built-in valve control enables users to regulate airflow between connected tools, ensuring optimal suction performance for each application. Its robust construction ensures durability even in demanding workshop conditions. The Quick Connect design allows fast installation and secure attachment to compatible hoses and extractors. By efficiently distributing airflow, the Y valve helps maintain consistent dust collection performance while minimizing clogging. This accessory is especially useful in busy workshops where multiple tools may need access to dust extraction systems. With improved airflow control and convenient connectivity, the Festool D50 SVAS-Y valve enhances both efficiency and cleanliness in professional woodworking environments. The Festool DTSC 200 cordless delta sander is designed for precision sanding in tight corners and detailed areas. Its triangular sanding pad allows users to reach spaces that traditional round sanders cannot access, making it ideal for furniture refinishing, cabinetry, and trim work. Powered by Festool's efficient brushless motor, the DTSC 200 provides smooth sanding performance while maintaining excellent battery life. The compact and lightweight design allows comfortable one-handed operation, giving users precise control over delicate surfaces. Advanced vibration damping technology helps reduce fatigue, making extended sanding sessions more comfortable. When paired with Festool dust extraction systems, the sander maintains a clean working environment by capturing fine dust particles. The balanced design ensures consistent contact with the surface, resulting in uniform sanding results. For professionals who demand precision finishing in corners and edges, the DTSC 200 delivers exceptional performance and control. The Festool KBSC construction light is designed to provide powerful illumination for job sites, workshops, and construction environments. Early mornings and late-night projects often require reliable lighting, and this cordless construction light ensures excellent visibility in any workspace. Its high-efficiency LED system delivers bright, evenly distributed light that helps reduce shadows and improve accuracy while working. The cordless design allows flexible placement around the job site without worrying about power outlets or cables. Built with rugged materials, the KBSC is engineered to withstand tough job site conditions. The adjustable stand enables users to position the light exactly where it's needed, ensuring optimal coverage. Long battery runtime ensures consistent lighting throughout extended work sessions. Whether you're working indoors or outdoors, the Festool KBSC construction light provides dependable brightness, helping professionals maintain productivity and safety even in low light conditions. The Festool Cordless Circular Saw HKC55KEB is built for precision cutting and portability on professional job sites. Designed with Festool's advanced cordless technology, this circular saw delivers powerful cutting performance without the limitations of a power cord. The brushless motor ensures efficient energy use while maintaining consistent cutting speed across various materials. When paired with Festool guide rails, the saw allows users to achieve extremely straight and accurate cuts for framing, panel work, and construction projects. The integrated safety features, including the fast-acting brake system, improve user protection during operation. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling and excellent control, even during long cutting sessions. The compact and lightweight build makes it easy to transport between job sites. For contractors and carpenters who require reliability, accuracy, and mobility, the HKC55KEB is a powerful and versatile cutting solution. Festool continues to push the limits of innovation, and the 2026 lineup proves it. Whether you need precision cutting, flawless sanding, or smarter dust management, these tools are built to elevate professional performance. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tool reviews.